Okay, what is Mrs. Claus's first name according to a classic Christmas film?
I don't even know. She seems like a Barbara to me.
Carol?
Judy?
Red hair, cute nose, nice figure. What was her name?
Yes.
Mary.
Nope.
Just a common name.
Yes.
Priscilla.
Nope.
Carol. Carol! That makes sense.
No, that's the elf. Come on, Freddie. I'm cheering for you.
She's a school teacher.
Yeah.
Judith.
Victoria.
You know, all I'm thinking of is Claudette, but I know it's wrong.
It's a pretty common name.
Claire.
Susan.
Closer.
Valerie.
It's Jessica.
He was so guessing.
Oh my gosh.
But I'm gonna give it to you.
He didn't get it.
I
I'll
described
give
her.
you half a point.
Half a point.
He at least
A
knew
white
what it
blouse,
was.
skirt.
He knew.
What?
Who would name
Get out. Get out.
Jessica is not an old
that is
lady
so.
name.
I guess Nick and Jessica. That's cute.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought
Jessica
that was
don't
a new
seem
name.
like a Miss Claus.
Jessica Claus. That's kind of like a parenthetical clause to me.